Hi friends, namaste, and I hope you all are good and fine friends. And I have come with the 10th full body workout challenge. And I hope you are practicing the 1 to 9 full body workout challenge and it is helping you immensely, friends. Yes, friends, you'll have to not keep your fan on. You'll have to keep your fan off, sweat a lot. It's not like sweating is not harmful, friends. It's very nice. If you just keep your t-shirts fully wet while doing exercise. It should happen. It is very good, friend. Please don't try to keep your fan or AC on while doing exercise, friends. Many people ask me, friends, what exactly we can eat in the morning, friends. So yes, I prefer eating what I eat. I will share it with you all. You all can do the same. And yes, I mostly eat the same thing, not same thing. It's very different. Okay, all the days are different, friends. You all can include those. Okay, friends. So what I eat is basil chila, that is with vegetables, rice chila with vegetables. Okay, grind the rice, you can put rava and vegetables. I eat upma, poha, chapatis, and yes, friends, oats pudding. All these things I eat. Yes, being a South Indian, friends, I eat idli, dosa. It is good for digestion, friends. If you have digestion issues, friends, please avoid slightly idli dosa or constipations and all. If you have issues, digestion related issue, acidity, try to avoid fermented foods like idli dosa. If you don't have, friends, you all can have it. Because being a South Indian, I've been eating this from my childhood. I can digest that food. So I eat idli and dosa. And not all the time, friends. I eat only once in a week. So it's a mandatory dish for us. Okay, so we eat that a lot. Yes, friends. Other than that, if you have not subscribed to my page, friends, you will have to subscribe to my page. Subscribe and share it with your friends. So let's get started with the 10th workout. It is very simple and easy, friends. So for this workout, we will have to sit in Vajrasana. Okay, on your heels. Okay, just walk your hands forward. This is child pose, Balasana. And you'll have to come in a tabletop. Okay, in tabletop, friends, you'll have to keep your shoulder and palms in one line and your hips and your heels in one line. Okay, once you are perfect in this position, you'll have to arch your back, look up with the ceiling, and you'll have to hunch your back. Chin, chest should meet, and you'll have to round your spine. Okay, arching is you'll have to take your chest up, chin up, look up with the ceiling as much as you can, and exhaling round your spine. Okay, you all can do this for 25 to 7. Okay, do this very slowly. People try to even do this. Okay, don't do that. Yes, friends, yoga is always a slow process. Try to do that slow. It will more inbuild your inner self. Okay, and also I'm telling it will inbuild your outer self also. But fast is not the process. It is always the slow process. Okay. Now slowly again go in Balasana. For the second posture, we will take our hips up. Okay. We will bend our right leg, take your leg up, bring it down and take it to your sides. Okay. Again, when you're taking it up, look straight. When you're bringing it down, look down. Taking to your side, look straight. Bringing it down, look down. Do this for right side. 25, 2 set. And left side 25, 2 set. Okay, this is knee bend exercise. Very good for your lower body. Okay, first exercise we did was good for our spine. Okay, all the back related issues. Now we did is a hip related issues. Okay, people with sciatica, leg pain, hip pain, we can do this. And for the hip pain loss. Now for the third exercise, we will again bring our hands, body in a tabletop position. To just Measure your tabletop. You will have to go in balasana. You can see my elbows are stretched and come in a tabletop. This you can measure your tabletop. Okay, now slowly take your right leg straight up. You can see I'm taking it down and I'm looking it straight. And slowly touch your forehead to your knees. Now, people with heavy belly will not be able to touch your knees to your forehead. Or people with legs flexibility in your body will not be able to touch. Stretch as much as you can. From the start of the posture, I'm only telling it, do as per your body process. Okay? So this for right side, 25, 4 set, and left side, 25, 4 set. Now for the fourth workout, friends. Okay, now for third exercise was for hips and your belly fat. Yes, friends, full body workout. Every video which I am showing is full body workout only. Okay, sometimes hands, sometimes belly, sometimes shoulders, sometimes hips, all full body workout. I'm not only focusing on belly fat because belly fat I have focused on my 30 days challenge. So now it's like 21 days full body workout. Now for the fourth workout, friends, again come in a tabletop. Okay. Now take your right leg straight, left hand straight, and touch your elbow to your knee and take it straight. Elbow to your knee and straight it straight. Do this for right side, 25, 2 set, and left side, 25, 2 set. Do it continuously as much as you can, friends. Okay. If you're losing your balance, then only bring it down and then you can again start. This was the fourth body workout. Now for the fifth workout, friends, go in balasana. Again, stretch yourself properly ahead. Okay. In balasana, just bring your hips in a tabletop. Just move your body slightly ahead. You can see I'm not dropping myself. I'm just moving my hips slightly ahead and just bringing it in. Again, move your hips slightly ahead and bring it behind. Okay, just don't drop yourself like this down. Okay, only thing is you just have to go forward and behind. Forward and behind. Do this for 25. 4 set. 25, 4 set. So yes, friends, you all have seen all my 5 full body workout was very simple, friends. It was not hard. Only thing is practice. Practice daily, friends. Yes, friends, if you have not subscribed to my page, please subscribe to my page, hit the bell icon so that all the videos which I share it to you all reach out to you on time. Yes, friends, let's meet on 11th full body workout. I will end this 10th full body workout now. Thank you. Take care. Namaste.